Hi everyone. Are you looking for a way to make money online? Then let me introduce you to Fiverr, one of the best platform to start your freelancing journey in 2025. Fiverr is a global marketplace where you can sell your skills, things like graphics design, video editing, logo design, thumbnail making, and data entry, etc. So much more. The best part, you don't need a degree or experience to start. Just create an account, make a professional gig, and show people what you can do. For example, you can create a gig like I will design a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, uh, or I will edit your YouTube videos, I will edit your Facebook videos, and etc. more. Uh, all over the world will see your gig, place orders, and boom, you will start earning money right from your home. But remember, it's not a magic. It takes time, a consistency. So stay trained, keep improving your gigs, and soon you will see result. Fiverr is not just a website; it's a great opportunity to turn your skills into income. So what are you watching for? Start learning, open your Fiverr account, and begin your freelancing journey today.